Jade Myler is an American social media influencer, TikTok star and content creator known for her engaging, humorous videos and ties to the popular YouTube channel Ninja Kids TV. Born on September 17, 2004 in Highland, Utah, she has built a dedicated following through trending challenges, travel vlogs and lighthearted skits. Myler was raised in the suburban community of Highland, Utah in a supportive family environment that encouraged her athletic and creative pursuits. Myler's entry into the spotlight began directly through her association with Ninja Kids TV, a family-friendly YouTube channel run by the Myler siblings known for action-packed skits and family adventures. She first gained visibility in 2023 by appearing in videos alongside her then-boyfriend, Bryton Myler, one of the channel's stars. Myler's personal life took center stage in late 2024 when she and Bryton Myler announced their engagement in November following a romantic proposal that went viral on social media. The couple, who met through mutual friends in the Utah entertainment scene, shared their love story via TikToks and Instagram reels, detailing playful first dates and shared passions for adventure and fitness. By October 2025, the newlyweds marked 6 months of marriage, with Myler posting affectionate updates like "I can't believe it's already been 6 months and 16 days married to my best friend." A Virgo at heart, Myler enjoys volleyball, hiking in Utah's outdoors, and experimenting with fashion trends. She is vocal about self-confidence and mental health, often weaving messages of positivity into her content. With her 21st birthday celebrated in September 2025 amid fan tributes, Myler remains focused on authentic storytelling, aspiring to produce more collaborative family-oriented projects. Notable collaborations include a viral lift challenge video in